Hello, all of you, and welcome to spring 2019 semester. I hope all of you are rested after our holiday break, ready to tackle the next 16 weeks. So, welcome to Medical Terminology. This is me right here, online course. I posted a picture of myself as well as a brief bio about me. Importantly for you, you probably care about my office phone and cell phone number. Feel free to use either if you have a question. These are my office hours, but I'm always available by other appointments. So don't be afraid to contact me if these times don't work. We can meet in person or talk on the phone, whatever is easiest. So talking about a textbook for this course, you should have this textbook in your hand. It's the 10th edition. And it comes with, on the first page of your book, if you open it up, you will see it comes with some free online resources. Highly, highly recommend that you sign up for those. In your announcements, here is a tip of how to register appropriately for that, okay? If you have any other questions, let me know. This textbook should have also come with some flashcards. You can tear them apart by chapter. These are going to be crucial for your success. I highly suggest doing this tonight while you're watching TV or having your kids help you, whatever is easiest, but these flashcards are going to be very helpful for you. So I teach a couple sections of med terms, so if you're not seeing your name on this roster, don't worry. It's okay. I just only do one welcome announcement for all my sections. So I'm going to do a couple things for you. I'm going to bring up the syllabus. At the end of the syllabus is a schedule for you. And I will tell you that I post an announcement every week in your announcements. It's going to be crucial to log in every single Sunday or Monday and look at what's going on for week 2, week 3, week 4. So you're keeping up and you know what you need to focus on. Before I do that, just so you know, there's 16 chapters in the book and 16 weeks in the semester. So we are going to cover all of them except for chapter 9. So we are not required to cover chapter 9. That's the OB section. So just so you know, we skip chapter 9, and after spring break, we start chapter 10 during week 9. So if you take a look, everything is organized here, what we're going to be learning. These are learning activities. These are things that you should be doing in order to be successful. These are not, you don't have to hand in the workbook exercises. I don't need to know how you did on the Evolve online exercises. These are just things, suggestions for you to use to practice. I will always post a PowerPoint with each chapter. It's just there for additional information. And then I always have links to, let me think here. I think this might be one that I have. Yeah, it'll always link you if there's like a discussion board or an additional written assignment. I will have the directions posted here for you, and then your link to the exam for the week. What I should tell you is that starting in week 2, you are going to see a document titled Terms Abbreviations to Know. So when you open this, you're going to see it's a Word document. And what I did was, I shouldn't say all of the MedTerm faculty, instead of having you learn all of the complementary terms, we decided to pull the most important ones, the most commonly used. So you're not going to find flashcards for these, so it is up to you to study these and understand them. Same thing with abbreviations. We pulled the most important ones for you to know and understand. So every week, it's going to be important that you log in and look at that terms abbreviations to know and start writing them out. Maybe you want to make your own personal flashcards for those. Totally up to you how you want to do it. I'm going to go to the syllabus. So this is an online course, but it's not self-paced. Keep that in mind. There are weekly expectations. If you fall behind, you are not going to be successful in this course. So it's a 3-credit course. You should have the 10th edition of the book. Go about, getting your flashcards organized. Sign up for those online resources. This is a 3-credit course, so you can probably expect anywhere from 8 to 16 hours that you're going to study per week on this course, all right? Your success is all going to be in proportion into how much time and commitment that you give to this course, all right? So I don't have like a specific schedule per se, because every Monday, the course begins on Monday and ends on the following Monday at 8 p.m. That's what you need to know. So we're working on a chapter a week, basically. I will always have posted what we're doing that week in the announcements, okay? Very important for you to manage your time. Submit your assignments on time so you do not fall behind. Late assignments, I will tell you that I do not accept late work in this course. I am just looking for it here, grading and evaluation. If there is something that is extenuating, if you are ill, if something happened with one of your children, spouse, friend, whatever, I understand those extenuating circumstances. All I'm asking is to communicate with me. If I don't hear from you, a 0 goes in your grade book, okay? You have to communicate with me. Every week we're going to for sure have a quiz. There will not always be a discussion board, probably like every other week. And I also have 2 topic reviews that we will do. There will be a midterm and a final in this exam. You need to have a 77% for this course to transfer into any of the health programs at CBTC. So basically a 77% or higher. All right, so keep that in mind. That is really all I want to tell you. Oh, I know what else. Quizzes and exams, they are timed. All right, MedTerm is a memorization course. So it's up to you to have prepared yourself for the exam. You're not going to have time to flip through your book and look at what rhinitis means. You should know it. You should have prepared yourself for it. So you cannot use your resources and you cannot collaborate with a classmate during the time you are taking an exam. All right. That is going to be all for the syllabus. At the end, I just have a schedule here, basically of what we're doing in week 1, the chapter that we're on, and then the assignments that we're going to be doing for that particular week. So you do have somewhat of a schedule here, I guess. But just know the week starts on Monday and ends the following Monday by 8 p.m. I'm trying to think. Oh, the other thing I want you to be mindful of is the introductory discussion. It is imperative that you post your introductory discussion by the 28th or whatever the due date is that I have for you. Otherwise, you will be marked as a no-show. Okay? Due dates are very important in this course. So I think that is basically everything I needed to tell you for online midterm. Look at your announcements weekly. Log into your email. You can communicate with me via text message or email. Utilize your flashcards, and memorization is key. You can do this. You are going to build your vocabulary that will help you in your personal and your professional life. I look forward to the next 16 weeks.